Here is the Benchmade 417 Fact. This is one of their Black Class series knives. This is going to feature CPM S30V steel blade with stainless steel liners and aluminum scales. Nice spear point design. It's going to have your thumb stud and the access lock on it. So this will flick out either with the thumb stud or with the access lock. Basically all black hardware, deep carry pocket clip that is reversible to the other side. This is a great little knife. This knife really reminds me of a classic, like old-fashioned slip joint, but with an amazing locking mechanism in it. So if you want a classy old-fashioned slip joint, but you don't like cutting yourself with slip joints, I'd say this would be my first stop on the way to having a nice, elegant, not so threatening knife. It is a spear point, but beyond that, it's pretty docile. Fits great in the hand, even for how slender this is here. Fits great in the hand. Absolutely love this. Great knife. All the current pricing, the size and weight information will be on the website and the YouTube link. Thanks for watching.